Hello dear friend, there is a major update for OBS Studio. No, OBS Studio 31.0.2 is available for downloading. For this update, we have to come here. You see, we are now inside OBS Studio. And when I started record, I saw this update. If you use OBS Studio, don't forget to update, dear friend. After this update, the performance of OBS Studio will be more stable. Here you see we are here. Now come to help here and just click here. You have to check for update. Now you can see new update available here. We can read here. You see NVIDIA Kepler, these 600 and 700 series are no longer supported for Nebank. And you can see these note NVIDIA users may need to update their GPU drivers to 551.76. You have to update here. Some changes have been made in OBS Studio 31.0.2. Hot fixes a crash on Windows, and this fixes a crash on Windows when using OBS WebSocket. You see fixed an issue on Mac OS where Python scripting would not work. These are actually hot fix changes, dear friend, and you can read one by one. You see new features. Actually these are the new features which have been added in this update. You see added NVIDIA blur filter and background blur, and you see added preview scroll bars and zoom scale indicators here. Added Amazon IBS service. These are actually, if you use this such type of equipment, it will help. No, download, dear friend, this update. Added Korean content codings, enable first party YouTube chat features. These are the new features which have been added here, and changes updated browser source docs etc. These are send split NVIDIA audio effects from noise suppression. If you use NVIDIA and NVIDIA apps, this will help you too much, dear friend. After this update, you see improved screensaver inhibit function on Linux etc. All you read now, this is actually the bug fixes, fix two crashes, and these all are the bug fixes one by one, dear friend. Stay in the class. Now we will download this update. After downloading, we will learn how to record our video and our screen in the best quality, and we will see the all settings and check the performance and stability after this downloading this update, dear friend. So now we just know date. Now here we click update. You have to click yes to okay. Now we are just, you see OBS Studio update, waiting for OBS to exit here. OBS is currently active. You have just close. Hello dear friend, we have just updated our OBS Studio. You can see here about, just come here and you see now we have OBS Studio 31.0.2 here, and you can read all and you can make contribution. You know OBS Studio is the best open source screen recorder. There is no competitor for OBS Studio. Even the proprietary software can't compete with OBS Studio. You can read on the website everything's all informations. If you are new to OBS Studio, go to our playlist here and learn how to use OBS Studio. Here you can give contribution for the development of OBS Studio, for the further development, dear friend. And now we come here. Don't skip any step. All steps are important here. Now we will record our screen, audio, video in the best quality. How to record, we will learn how to record our screen, audio, video in the best quality, dear friend. Once you will see this video, you don't need to see any other video on YouTube. So we just close here, and you see here now first we come for settings. When you come here, you can click here. From here you can go to settings here. So recordings, remarks, we have all basics. We have already how to use OBS Studio in our playlist, but here we learn how the best quality of recording inside OBS settings here. From here you can go to settings. We just click here settings now. This is actually the general settings. General settings you have to check here. You can change language, and if you want to hide OBS from your screen capture, you can just click here. But I don't hide because I am recording OBS screen here actually. So if you have only single monitors, you record other applications except OBS Studio, you can just click here. So this is good. And here you see stable update channels. We will always keep stable default. We will not take beta. Beta may sometimes not work, dear friend, for serious production. So output, you see everything, we don't need to touch this. Source, everything is okay. Projection, this we will not touch. Okay. And now come out to our, actually here you see output. Actually here in the output we will see the quality here. You can Here we have streaming. If you stream on OBS Studio, here from here you can change. But we for recording we learn here. You see extender we always, this is type extender, always keep. And you see here a recording path, you have to always click your place where you record actually from here. And you see this actually this recording format, you can use other, but I use always MKV is a good. And video encoder you have to choose here NVIDIA Navec. If you have NVIDIA graphic card, video card, so just click. If you have other graphic card, it will be visible here. You have to click here just, and you will see from here. And here audio encoder, we always use FFmpeg AAC. We always use this. And output rescales, because I'm recording 4K video from here, you can change output here. And we will don't change here. This is not, we will not change here. This is, you see, encoder settings, the rate control, you have to see the rate control here. There are various rate control, you see variable bitrate, variable bitrate with target quality, lossless. We just always use this constant QP. You always, I recommend you to use constant QP. And just okay, a constant QP, you can change the number from here. You see number from here. No, we will take only 20 here. And key frame rate, we will not change this. Presets you can change from here. I have medium quality because it will not take too much place on our hard disks, and gives the best quality of recording. You can take other, try good quality slow, but we'll take always this medium quality. And tuning, we have to take always the best quality here. Hello dear friend, if this video is helpful to you, adds value to your life dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Dear friend, nowadays I am working hard, but my channel can't grow because of the algorithm of YouTube dear friend. But you can make it possible just by subscribing, writing a comment, liking dear friend, and even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial will help him a lot dear friend, so please favor me, consider and subscribe. Without wasting time, now let's see profile medium mode. You have to click to pass. Profile, you see high, you have to keep always high. Frame, you see B frames, it's a very important, and you have to click always 2. You can click 1, but I recommend you to always it 2. And we custom encoder options, actually we don't need, everything is okay from here. And we will apply and okay. So dear friend, next time when you record, you have to just click here settings, and from here you have to come to output. Once again I show you, this is in the same way you can change in the streamings. If you stream, now we come here for streaming. Here you see audio encoder, we always use FFmpeg because I can't change because I'm recording here. And video encoder, you have to take according to you. So I have NVIDIA, so as you see H264. So here output is the disable, actually don't it's a, no, not so necessary. According to my resolution, I have set 3840 into 2160. Encoder same, you have to rate control CBR, you have to take CBR from here. There are various, take CBR. Bitrate is very important. I have 6000 kbs actually, this is the ideal bitrate. You can increase bitrate here, but I will not increase, it's okay for me. And keyframe in the same way it will be same. And preset, it's slow good quality. And here you can take medium quality, okay. If you in the streaming, if you know the best quality, you can check from here. But these two are okay, slow good quality and medium quality. There are no too many differences. High quality tuning, this actually change the quality one for streaming here. Two passage okay, high resolution okay. And we will just take everything is okay, and we can click apply from okay. In the same way for other setting, you have to come here. Appearance you can change from here. You see there are various classic, airy, we have in the last classes. You can see there's how to change this output. We have check here. Actually audio is a very important audio, we have audio classes. You can go there and you can learn from here. You can change actually audio from here. You can add audio, and from here you can change anytime. If you have several audio, we have, I'm recording actually with this the audio, this is our audio, so we will not change here. And everything is okay. And here hotkey, you can change hotkey from here. We don't actually need this to change. If you need, you can change from hotkey and enable push to mute, enable a push to mute, enable. In this way you can change. Actually real hotkey is this, and here you have to change the, I have taken the recording page up or recording page down. From here you can add anytime, and start accessibility we don't need. And these are the actually the advanced process, general process. You see, priority you have to normal, we always take it normal. Video we have all set. You see, these are actually the settings, you have to make these settings. So we have everything is okay, and we will just start recording here. Okay, okay. And from here you can start recording, and you have to set the keyboard shortcut for pausing record, because I use keyboard shortcut to pause our record. And you know how to add this everything we have in the last classes. We have in playlist, you can see there's how to add sources, how to add various type of audio input captures and filters here, and property you can check. There are lots of settings in one class. We can't learn everything, dear friend. Please don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.